This is TV18 and you are watching CNN IBN.
Ten years after the 2002 Gujarat violence, the state claims to have moved on. A decade of relative peace and the engine of enterprise has pushed Gujarat into another orbit. Its Chief Minister Narendra Modi is seen in some quarters as a potential Prime Minister, a role model of good governance. A majority of the 94 accused of burning the S6 coach of the Sabarmati Express, leading to the death of 59 car sevaks, were from the dusty bylanes of Signal Phalliya. Inayat Jujhara was an elderly government clerk who spent 9 years in jail under Pota till he was acquitted last year. आप जानते थे कि आप बेकसूर थे, किस तरह से आपने गुजारे वो 10 साल?
वो तो मैं कहीं बयान भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ।
31 others were convicted by the lower court, awaiting appeal in higher courts under stringent, non-bailable anti-terror laws. The anger and discontent at being edged out of Gujarat's growth story is palpable. अगर आप कहीं नौकरी के लिए जाए आज और लोग कहें और आप कहें कि मेरा एड्रेस सिग्नल फलिया है, तो क्या आपको नौकरी मिलेगी?
नहीं मिलती हमको। तुम्हारा कोई भी हक यहाँ नहीं बनता, तुम पाकिस्तान चले जाओ, ऐसा हमको अभी भी सुनना पड़ता है।
Most traders we meet insist that business is breaking religious boundaries.
गोधरा की जो पब्लिक है वो तो ऑलरेडी उसको भूल चुकी है, उनको याद ही नहीं कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ था।
हिंदू मुस्लिम दोनों भाईचारा,
सबको गोधरा की शांति, शोहरत और डेवलपमेंट में रस है।
In the Vastral suburb, we meet Prafulla Ben Soni,
husband chene eni su umar hati,
who lost her husband Mansukh Bhai and son Jassal in the S6 fire.
उनको क्षमा कर सकते हैं?
नहीं,
जिन्होंने ये कर
In the narrow streets of Shahpur's Nagori Chowk in the walled city of Ahmedabad, neighbor turned against neighbor. 10 years later, there is a calm on the surface. But the urban buzz here can be deceptive. The police presence is a constant reminder of the area being a tinderbox.
अगर गाय भागी तो झगड़ा, लड़की के बारे में तो झगड़ा, ये बारे में किसी न किसी बहाने यहाँ झगड़ा होता रहता है।
On the other side of the road, where the Hindu Wagri community lives, the response is equally sharp. अभी भी तूफान होने की डर है एक तरह से।
है सर, 100% है सर।
Shakila, a seamstress, lost 8 members of her family in the violence, including her mother and brother. Today she is a key witness in the Naroda Patia case.
जिसके घर का एक जाता तो कितने दिन गम मनाता, हमारा तो पूरा परिवार खत्म हो गया।
विश्व हिंदू परिषद कोई जिम्मेदार नहीं है, वो स्वयंभू गोधरा की जो घटना बनी उसके प्रतिक्रिया में रूप में सब हुआ है।
Beyond the trauma and the antagonisms of riot-hit localities like Naroda Patia, there is a new Ahmedabad which also exists. One which is geographically divided with few mixed neighborhoods, but upwardly mobile all the same. For this new generation of Ahmedabadis used to rapid economic growth, they don't want to look back at the past with anger, but want to fast forward to the future with hope.
I would want to move from the days where we were not even able to get out of the house by the fear that something would happen. And today we are completely free.
Well, the loss of lives will never be restored. It's really difficult to restore. What we can do is, if we are able to forgive and embrace them with love and help them without showing any discrimination.
Will your generation allow something like that to happen again?
Never, 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 never. Never, 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 never.
Modi's latest buzzword is Sadbhavna or harmony. But can Sadbhavna mean anything more than an image makeover for a chief minister 10 years after Godhra and the post-Godhra riot?
Even in all these Sadbhavna programs that Modi is organizing, there is no remorse. I've been urging that at least come down to Baroda and meet Bilkis and just put your hand on her head and that will work wonders. But there's just no response.
आज कोई सद्भावना का आपके लिए मतलब नहीं है?
हमारे लिए थोड़ी सद्भावना जताइए।
कोई अपने 14 साल का बेटा खोता है, कोई नहीं भूल सकता।
वो जब तक हमको नहीं मिलेगा तब तक हमें कोई शांति तो नहीं मिल पाएगी।
मैं जानता हूँ आप कैसा सोचते हैं। आप इतना ही चाहते हैं कि औलाद का दर्द वो सरकार जाने कि औलाद का दर्द क्या होता है। आपकी आवाज़ सुनेगा कोई ना।